Hi students, today we will learn about successor and predecessor of a given number. Students, last year you have learned about, or in first standard, second standard, third standard, fourth standard, you have learned about how to find a after number and how to find a before number. Okay, so those concepts you are very well known. Just after, how to find just after number and how to find just before number. So now we are going to learn successor and predecessor. So what are these concepts? So you are familiar with that, but it's similar word of just after is a successor. So see students, successor is just after number. See student, successor is just after number. So how to find successor of a given number? So to find a successor of a given number, we have to add 1 in a given number. How to find it? By adding 1 in a given number. Means, for example 14, and you have to find a successor of 14. Then we have to add 1 in 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So 15 is the successor of 14. Or if you take 3-digit number, 145, and you have to find successor of 145. So by adding 145 plus 1, 146. So 146 is the successor of 145. Now we are going to talk about large numbers. So we will take now any 6-digit number. We consider an example. 1,27,435. We have to find a successor of 1,27,435. So how to get that? By adding 1. So we will add 1. So we will get here 6, 3, 4, 7, 2, 1. Means 1,27,436 is a successor of 1,27,435. In this way, by adding 1, we will get a successor of given number. Now predecessor. Predecessor means opposite of successor. Means you have learned to find a just after number. So opposite of just before. So for that similar word is predecessor. So predecessor is just before number. And how to find predecessor of a given number? By subtracting 1. How to find it? By subtracting 1s. So I am told students, you have learned before. Write a before number, after number, between number. So same concept we have to follow it. Only similar word of just before is predecessor and just after is successor. And how to get that you have learned before also. So for example, 100, and we have to find a predecessor of 100. So by subtracting 1 from 100, you will get 99. So 99 is the predecessor of 100. If you take 999, so what is the predecessor of 999? You subtract 1 from 999, you will get 998. So 998 is the predecessor of 999. Now we will take large numbers. Means we will take here 7-digit number. So consider here example 69,43,128. This is a 7-digit number. So steps are same. Successor we get by subtracting 1 from a given number. So we subtract 1 from a given number. So we will get here 8 minus 1, 7, 2, 1, 3, 4, 9, 6. So 69,43,127 is the predecessor of 69,43,128. See students, steps are same. Only here we are talking about a larger numbers. In this way, by adding 1 in a given number, you get a successor of a number, and by subtracting 1 from a given number, you get a predecessor of a number. In this way, you can find successor and predecessor of a number. Now, we will see next point, comparison of numbers. So, you have learned before also how to compare two numbers. Means we have to find whether the given number is greater, and from this given two number, which is greatest number and which is smallest number, then you can compare by using a symbol greater than, less than and equal sign. So for that also some rules are there. For comparing a given number, for that also some rules are there. So from that first rule we will see. So look at here. When the two numbers have different number of digits, when the two numbers have different number of digits, the number with greater number of digits is greater. See student, what is the meaning of that? When the two numbers have different number of digits. We will see one example. So look at here. Here there are two numbers. First number is 3,84,565 and another is 96,785. So if you observe this given number, then you came to know that here first number is 6-digit number and another number is 5-digit number. So according to our rule, when the two numbers have different number of digits, so here one number is 6-digit and other number is 5 digits. Means both have different number of digits. So at that time, the number with the greater number of digits is greater. So obviously here first number is 6-digit. So 6-digit number is greater than the 5-digit number. According to rule, first number is 6-digit. So first number is greater than second number. So here 3,84,565 is greater than 96,783. That is the rule for the comparison of numbers. Second rule. So let's read that second rule. When the two numbers have the same number of digits. In first rule we have seen that when the two numbers have different number of digits. So in that case, greater number of digits is greater number. But in second rule, when the two numbers have the same number of digits, so at that time, we start the comparing digit from leftmost place in the both the number. The number with greater digit in the same place is greater. See student, we will see what is actual second. So here consider one example. Look at here. 4,86,523 and here other number 4,68,523. So this, if you observe, these are the same digit. Means first number also 6 digit and second number also 6 digit. So in that case, what is the second rule? We start comparing the digits from the leftmost place. The leftmost place of both the number is left. So we arrange that both the number in Indian place value chart. So we will arrange a given digit in place value chart. So here 4,86,523 and here 4,68,523. We have to start leftmost place in both the numbers. Leftmost place is lag place. So if you observe, first number lag digit is 4 and second number lag digit is 4. Both are same. So we have to check next 10,000 digit. 10,000 digit of first number is 8 and 10,000 digit second number is 6. So 8,000 is greater than 10,000. Here lag place is same, so we compare 10,000 digit. 10,000 digit of first number is greater than 10,000 digit of second number. So here 4,86,523 is greater than 4,68,523. In this way, student, we have to start from leftmost place. If it is same, then we have to check its rightmost place. If it is same, we have to go or check rightmost. In this way, we have to go ahead. And in which place it is greater, that number is greater. Next point of this lesson is ascending and descending order. So let's see first ascending order. Now what is meant by ascending order? Ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to greatest. See student, ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to greatest. So we will consider one example and arrange a given number in ascending order. How to arrange a given number from smallest to greatest. So let's see one example of ascending order. So example, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So here there are given 4 numbers. We have to arrange those 4 numbers in ascending order. So let's read it. First number is 11 crore 12 lakh 13,145. Second number 11 crore 21 lakh 13,145. Third number 11 crore 12 lakh 31,154. And fourth number 11 crore 12 lakh 31,145. Now we have to arrange these 4 numbers in ascending order. Means we have to arrange from smallest to greatest. So we shall first write these numbers in Indian place value chart. So let's arrange the given digit in their respective places. So first 11 crore 12 lakh 13,145 we write in place value chart. Second number 11 crore 21 lakh 13,145. Third number 11 crore 12 lakh 31,154. And fourth number 11 crore 12 lakh 31,145. Now, as we learn a rule for comparing numbers, say we follow those rules we have to follow while arranging a given number in ascending order. So we will start from leftmost place in a given number. So if you observe, leftmost place is 10 crore place. So we will check digits of 10 crore place of each number. So here if you observe 10 crore place of given 4 number is 1. So it is the same. So next place, rightmost place is crore place. Here digit at crore place of this 4 number is 1. That is also same. So we have to check the next 10 lakh place. 10 lakh place, first number 10 lakh digit is 1. Second number 10 lakh digit is 2. Third number 10 lakh digit is 1. And this is 1. Means only second number is 2, which is greater than remaining 3. But we have to find first smallest. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. So first of all we have to find a smallest number from this given 4 number. Now this second is the greatest number. This is the greatest number. Now from this remaining So we have to check now 10,000 place. 10,000 place of first number is 1 and remaining 2 is 3. So which is same? So from this 3, it is same. 1 which is smaller than 3. So smallest number among these 4 number is first number. So here 11 crore 12 lakh 13,145 is the smallest number among these 4 numbers. So here we compare, we got smallest number is first number. Now greater than this we will find. Now here 10,000 digit of third and fourth is same. So we will check now 1000 digit remaining third and fourth number. Here 1000 digit of this third and fourth number is same 1. So we have to check 100 digit. 100 digit of third and fourth number is 1. That is also same. So we have to check now 10 digit. 10 digit of third number is 5 and fourth number is 4. So 5 is greater than 4. So second smallest number is 11 crore 12 lakh 13,145 and greater than this is that fourth number 11 crore 12 lakh 31,145. This is second. So this is third and greatest number is second. Now by comparing a given number, we write a given number in ascending order as first here smallest number is 11 crore 12 lakh 13,145. Greater than this, second is last fourth number 11 crore 12 lakh 31,145. Greater than this third number 11 crore 12 lakh 31,154 and greatest number is 11 crore 21 lakh 30,145. So see student, in this way here by comparing a given number we write a given number in ascending order as smallest to greatest. Now we will see descending order. Now descending order means what? Descending order means arranging number from greatest to smallest. Means opposite of ascending. Ascending means arranging numbers from smallest to greatest. And descending means arranging numbers from greatest to smallest. So here let's see one example. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. So we will see example to better understand. So here there are given 4 numbers. So let's see. First number is 61 crore 82 lakh 14,217. Second number 61 crore 82 lakh 14,119. Next 61 crore 82 lakh 14,911. And fourth number 61 crore 82 lakh 14,712. So these are the 4 numbers. Now we have to arrange these numbers from greatest to smallest. So how to get it? By comparing a given number. So first of all, we will write those 4 numbers in place value chart. So we will arrange a given digit of given number in place value chart. So your first number is 61 crore 82 lakh 14,270. 61 crore 82 lakh 14,270. Second number 61 crore 82 lakh 14,109. Third number 61 crore 82 lakh 14,911. And fourth number 61 crore 82 lakh 14,712. Now first of all, we have to compare this given 4 number and then we have to arrange the given number from greatest to smallest. So first of all, we will compare its leftmost place. Means here leftmost place is 10 crore. So we will compare digit in 10 crore place. So if you observe, digit of these 4 numbers at 10 crore place is 6. So here it is the same. Now we will check crore place. Digit at crore place. Now digit at crore place of this given 4 number is 1, which is same. Now we compare 10 lakh place. Digit at 10 lakh place of given 4 number is same. It is 8. So we will check now lakh place. Digit at lakh place of this given 4 numbers is 2, which is same. So we will check 10,000 place. Digit at 10,000 place of given 4 number is same. Means it is 1, which is same. So we will check 1000 place. Digit at 1000 place of this given 4 number is 4, which is same. So we will check 100 digit of each number. Now here 100 digit of this given 4 number is different. So we will compare by comparing a 100 digit. 100 digit of first number is 2. 100 digit of second number is 1. 100 digit of third number is 9. And 100 digit of fourth number is 7. Now we have to find a first greatest number. So among these 4 digits, 9 is the greatest digit. 9 is the greatest digit. So here 100 digit of this third number is greatest. So among these 4 number, greatest number is third number, which is 61 crore 82 lakh 14,911. Now smaller than this, less than 9 is 7. So second most number, we write 61 crore 82 lakh 14,712. Less than this, less than 7, 2. So third most number, we write 61 crore 82 lakh 14,270. And smallest number among this given 4 number is second. 61 crore 82 lakh 14,190. Now by comparing numbers, we can write a given number in descending order by arranging numbers from greatest to smallest. So here greatest number is 61 crore 82 lakh 14,911. Smaller than this, 61 crore 82 lakh 14,712. Smaller than this, third number, 61 crore 82 lakh 14,270. And smallest number, 61 crore 82 lakh 14,190. In this way, here we arrange a given number in descending order by arranging numbers from greatest to smallest.